You will soon be rocking with will.i.am and Britney, bitch. Taking to Twitter on Monday, will.i.am teased the imminent release of a new collaboration, a single seemingly titled, Mind Your Business. He shared a 16-second clip including portions of the song alongside a caption, "Uh-oh, you are now rocking with will.i.am and at Britney Spears," alongside a row of flame emojis and the hashtag #MINDYORBUSINESS. The track, which is expected to drop Tuesday, marks Spears' first release since Hold Me Closer, a collaboration with Elton John that itself marked a comeback after being released from her restrictive 13-year conservatorship. The upcoming single is Spears and will.i.am's fourth collaboration, with the duo most notably teaming up for Scream and Shout, the lead single off of the Black Eyed Peas founder's fourth album, 2013's #Willpower.